In this video, I will show you guys step by step how we made $19,259 in commission with Amazon Associate Affiliate Marketing using free traffic without investing any money in paid ads. And I made this commission just in one single month, in the last month, okay? In the month of November, from the first day until the day 30. In this video, I want to share with you guys my methods, my strategies that helped me to earn this commission, and I'm making over 10,000 every single month with Amazon Associate Affiliate Marketing using free traffic. In this video, I will share with you guys one of my methods that I'm using. So if you are interested, just make sure to watch this video until the end. If you guys skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can start making commissions like this, okay? Because I will share with you a trending and new product that you should start promoting from today if you want to start making commissions, okay? Anyway, let's get started. This is my Amazon affiliate account dashboard. So for people who want to join Amazon affiliate marketing, step number one, just go to Google and search for Amazon Associate like this. Click on the first link over here. You need to create an Amazon affiliate account and click here on sign up, and you will be again to this page. Click on create your Amazon account, and here you go. You just need to put your first and last name, your email address, your password, and your password again, and click on create your Amazon account. So the sign up process is super easy and simple, guys. You can see it's gonna take just like 2 or 3 minutes from your time, and after you finish you should have an account like this one with Amazon affiliate marketing, okay? You should see here your commissions here, bounties, samurai, and so much more, okay? Promotion tools, reports, home, and so on. So what you will do next is you need to choose good product that you will start promoting using free traffic from Pinterest. We will use Pinterest, but first you need to create a Pinterest account. So super easy, go to Google, search for Pinterest like this. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest, okay? They will ask you, do you want to create business account or personal account? Please make sure to choose business account. After you finish, this will be your home page, and what you will do next, you will go back to Google and you will search for Pinterest trend. Search for Pinterest trend. Click on the first link over here and you will be directly in this page. So we will use this website to see what's trending this month in United States or in Canada. You can target any country you want. So we will see what's trending on Pinterest this month, okay? So first you have here a region. You can choose. You have United States, you have Canada, Italy, Spain, Germany, and so much more. I will just choose United States. I will scroll down, and here you go. This is the top trends in United States this month on Pinterest. This is what's trending, the products that are trending. If we scroll down, we can discover trends in United States, and we have here more keywords with weekly change, monthly change, and yearly change. We will see which products are trending. So let me see, like this one, Christmas nails. We have Christmas wallpaper. You guys can see the graph of those products or those topics. It's just keep going up, like this one, Thanksgiving recipe. This one is just keep going up. Thanksgiving nails, you guys can see this one also is going up. Thanksgiving, you can see this one here also. I will let's choose this one. Let's click on this keyword and let me see. You will be directly in this page. If you scroll down, you have here date. Click here and choose past 3 months, okay, like this. And this is predict the future. This is an AI tool that Pinterest has added to his Pinterest trend, and it's predicting the future of these products. And you guys can see that these products will go down, okay, but it's still going up. So now it's just still going up, you guys can see, okay? So this product is really going up, which is really good. You can see here the graph is just keep going up, which is really good. So what you will do, I will copy just this keyword Thanksgiving, and what you will do next, you will go back to Google and search for Amazon website like this. Click on the first link here and you will be directly in this page. Click here on the search and search for Thanksgiving products, and I will start promoting any product about Thanksgiving, okay, because it's trending on Pinterest, and this is the product that you should focus on, okay. Also, make sure to choose product that got over 1000 sales in the past month, okay. For example, like this one, you guys can see this one. This one is a really good product that you can promote. Let me show you. You guys can see here over 9000 people paid for this product in the past month, meaning it's working and it's good. Thanksgiving, those are the products that are trending this month, okay. Let's scroll down. We have this one, but it's not about Thanksgiving. We have this one about Thanksgiving. This one, over 4000 people paid for this one in the past month, okay. So I will choose the first one. I will choose this one. Over 9000 people paid for this one in the past month, which is really good. I will click on this product. Just click on the product name and you will be directly in this product page on Amazon. You guys can see. So what you will do next, you will click on this picture of this product. Just click on the picture, and what you will do next is you need to save this picture to your laptop. So double click and click on save image, okay, and save this picture to your laptop. I will click on save, okay, and after you finish, go back to your Pinterest account, to your Pinterest business account. Click on home feed, click on create pin, and here you go. Click over here and upload this picture that you download from Amazon about Thanksgiving product, this product, okay. Click on open. That's really good. We need a title. Go back to this Amazon products page, copy this title. I will copy just this keyword here, the first keywords. I will not copy all the title because it's too much long. You guys can also optimize this title, make it short title. You can use ChatGPT to create good title for your Pinterest pins, okay. Put this title here, description. Go back to this product page, scroll down, keep scrolling down until you see about this item. Let me show you this one, about this item. This is the product description. I will copy this part, this product description, giving more details about this product. I will go back to Pinterest and I will put this product description here. Scroll down, you need to put your Amazon affiliate link. Go back to this Amazon product page, and you should already have an affiliate account like I said, so you can start seeing like this bar here, influencer and associate site strap, for every product that you want to promote as an affiliate marketer. So to get an affiliate link, just click on get link here, and this is your Amazon affiliate link for this product that you can use to promote this product and earn commission. I will copy this link and I will go back to Pinterest and I will put this link here. Click on choose a board. If you have new account, click on create a board and you just need to give it a name, and you can create as many as you want. I'm gonna choose this one. Scroll down, you need to put here keywords. Go back to your Pinterest trend and copy those keywords. Thanksgiving, copy this keyword. Go back to Pinterest, put this keyword here. Go back to Pinterest trend, scroll down, you should see related trends. Those are the keywords that you guys should copy and put them in your Pinterest account. Thanksgiving, this one, and this one, Thanksgiving wallpaper. Then just go back to your Pinterest account like this and just put all those keywords here. And even Pinterest will give you matched tags that you can use. And after you finish, just click here on publish, and there you go. Your product, your Amazon product will be published on Pinterest like this. It's super easy and simple. You can see these products all already people are promoting this product on Pinterest. You guys can see about Thanksgiving. This one from eBay, this one from Etsy, this one from eBay, and it's working. Okay, you guys can see. That's how exactly you can start making commissions with Amazon affiliate marketing as a beginner. If you want to start promoting your affiliate links using free traffic, this is the exactly strategy that you guys can start using and focus on, because it's all just with free traffic. You just need to choose a good product. It's all about choosing profitable and good product that people will be interested to buy. So you can use Pinterest trend to see what's trending, which products are people searching for, are interested to buy. Go to Amazon and search for those products, then come back to Pinterest just and start promoting those products here. Okay, that's it. Super easy and simple. And here you go. Like I said, your products will be published like this. This is your picture, your product picture, and this is your Amazon affiliate link. This is impressions, clicks, and save. Always check those analytics and see which products are getting a lot of clicks, and double what's working and avoid what's not working. That's how we can scale your Amazon affiliate marketing business and start making commissions, good commissions every single month using just free traffic from Pinterest. That's it. If you guys are people who are asking, do I have any affiliate marketing course? Yes, I do. If you guys are interested, you can reach out to me in my email address in my description, and I will get back to you and see you in my next videos.